Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. In today's video, we're going to do a card that's called Your Slip is Showing. It's inspired by Susan Campfield. I really love the idea of it. So this is what it looks like. This is the card we're going to make today using the Less Shop suite. And it opens like this. And what's cute about it is that this little inside flap kind of slips out there. Get it, play on words, and then it opens this way, so it had plenty of room for writing. So I had a little fun using the Daisy DS suite also. So this one, You Made My Day, same concept, and then one more Daisy. And I just have a feeling I'm going to do a lot more. Maybe something with the truck, something different. So we'll see. Let's see. Let's get started. So these are the pieces that you need. The inside, I think I have these swapped. Sorry, card base, 4 1/4 by 10, scored at 5. The inside is 4 1/4 by 8, scored at half, 1 1/2, 2 1/2, and 3 1/2. That's what makes this inside part right here. Then the front, you get a piece of cardstock 3 by 5 inches. The middle flap will have this piece of DSP measuring 1 by 4 1/4. And then I embossed this piece, and I call it the back, by 2 by 4 1/4. And then I colored a little stamp, the same stamp that I used on here. So I'll show you how that goes. So let's get started with this piece. Let's get my measurements out of the way. The card base here, fold along the score, grab my bone folder, get that ready here. Then for the inside, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 scores. So we'll go ahead and score and burnish those along the score line into, I like to say, a C. They're all mountain folds. So you're just folding and doing. Then you'll get that shape right there. And then let's go ahead and use some Stampin' Seal. I like to put a T on here to remind me to put the top on there. There's some leftover ribbon there. So let's go ahead and adhere it on. Get a piece of scratch paper. There you go. And then all you do is fold it like the first two, so 1, 2, 3, the third one down, and just press it down, and that will automatically create your cube. Isn't that nice? And then we're going to go ahead and adhere the DSP that goes in the middle here. Then we'll go ahead and stamp this front part. I use my scratch paper here. There's the little image of the dining table. It looks like with a menu on it. So I just kind of randomly, oops, I didn't ink all the way. I'll start again. You always get a second chance, right? There you go. Kind of randomly put it on there. Always try to get stuff random off the paper. It doesn't have to be completely off, but that's what makes it random. Do you think it needs one more? Maybe in the corner here. There we go. And then that one will go on the front. So I like to do it kind of in a clockwise, so I don't have to run the whole adhesive all the way down the cardstock, and it still basically gets all the corners down, if that makes sense. So that goes in the front here, and then this one will go in the back right here. And this embossing is part of the countryside Sweet, I thought it'd be a cute addition there. And this one, I have my, here we go, mini Stampin' Dimensionals. I like to do it in a triangle. Triangle for a circle, I don't know why. That's what I like to do. 3 is a good number for me. For that, taking the release paper, and that goes here. And then when you're adhering this one, you only adhere this side of it, because I like it to stay open, so it actually does that. So you just fold it over and put some adhesive here and close it up. Oh, you know what? I think I did it on the wrong one. I just gave you the wrong. It's actually this side. Sorry. It's this side. So give me a second. Okay. So I'm going to start all over. So after you make this shape, you're going to put the paper on this side. That was my mistake. I put it on the wrong side. There. So then you have that shape. That way, when it comes into here, that's going to make it slip out on the edge. So that means the adhesive only needs to be here, right next to that last score line. And so it does still stand like that. And then when you close it, see how it peeks out? Isn't that cute? And then for the for the decoration on the front, I actually fussy cut this. So this is a piece of the Les Shops DSP. So I fussy cut this storefront, and then I used one of the dies to cut out that little easel, and I'll show you what that looks like. There's the Let's Go Shopping, and there it is. So this is one of the dies. So let me go cut that off. I'll be right back. Okay, so fussy cutted this and put some mini Stampin' Dimensionals on here. And did the same with the little easel. How cute is that? And then I used the Wanted to Say dies that look like this, that cut out words. There's Happy Birthday, You're Too Kind, Feel Better Soon, and Celebrate, and some other different images that you can also use. So I'm going to go ahead, let me do some glue on this one. I did the 2 images. I did the Calypso Coral on the background and the white for the words. And this I put on the inside. And close that up there. And that's it. So, and then after I finished making this, I thought it'd be cute to maybe use it to give a gift card to a restaurant, since there's food here, the little easel, and the little dining. So I used the mini pocket envelope dies here and made this lovely envelope. So I thought it'd be nice if I could just stick it here or here. And that way when they open it up, they get a gift card to a restaurant. So let me bring back the other cards we made that I used for the daisies. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll get to see more of these video tutorials of some fun folds. Thanks. Bye.